Okay, it's Pokemon Thursday today. So all you Pokemon fans, you're going to enjoy this activity. So it says Pikachu and Jigglypuff represent the same value. So I'm assuming Jigglypuff is the cute little pink thing because it's jiggly and puffy. And Pikachu I knew was the yellow. And then Zubat looks like the crazy bat. And Bulbasaur is the green thing. So if you're going to start here, I would just look to see, oh, what three things can I add together to get to 60? Or 60 divided by 3 is what? That is what both of these characters represent. Then, once you find out what Pikachu is, you can probably figure out what Zubat is, and then move on to Bulbasaur. So, good luck with this one. I'm sure you guys can do it. Don't forget to do the explaining at the bottom about each line, because that's where a lot of you are failing to do. So you're not getting full credit. You're only getting 8s and 7s instead of 10s. So I think you guys can do this. Have some fun with Pokemon.